Good morning and welcome to your maths class. Today we will discuss the concept of smaller number and greater number. Smaller number means less quantity. Smaller number means less quantity. And greater number means more quantity. Less quantity and more quantity. Less quantity and more quantity. Generally, when we do forward counting, we speak in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always we speak with smaller number to greater number. Now, how we prove that it is a smaller number and this is a greater number? See, this is a cube, Joro cubes. Here is 1, 2, 3. 3 cubes are here. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3 cubes. This one is less quantity. This one is less quantity. It means 3 is a smaller number. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is more quantity. 4. It means it is a greater number. And one of the reason is 3 we speak first. So 3 is a smaller number and 4 is a bigger number. So when we do the exercise smaller number and greater number, suppose single digit number when we do, suppose 4 and 8. So see 4 comes first. So this is a smaller number. And 8 comes after 4. So this is a greater number. But when we do 2-digit number, that time what we do? Suppose 10 and 20. Okay. Whenever we do this exercise, we always first write tens and ones. Tens and ones. When we do 2-digit number, that time what we do? We first compare with tens. Okay. If we do, see this one is 1 and this one is 2. 1 comes first. So, and 2 comes after 1. And in the position of ones group, both are 0. So, it means 10 is a smaller number and 20 is a bigger number. But if we compare with 11 and 15, see this one is 1 and this one is 1. Both are same. So you cut it. And this one is 1 and this one is 5. 1 comes first. So this is a smaller number and 5 comes after. So this is a greater number. I give you one more example. Suppose 17 and 12. See both the one are same in the tens group. Now we check about ones group. This is 2 and this is 7. 2 comes first. That's why 2 is a smaller number and 7 comes after. So 7 is a greater number. Now children, we do an activity to clear the concept of smaller number and bigger number. I have number cards 1 to 20. I take 2 numbers from here. Afterwards, we compare the 2 numbers, which one is the smaller number and which one is the greater number. After that, we put the smaller number in the short glass and keep the bigger number in the tall glass. So, I take 2 numbers, 3 and 8. 3 and 8. See, 3 come first. It means 3 is a smaller number and 8 comes after 3. So 8 is a bigger number. So I put 3 in this glass short glass and number 8 in the tall glass. Same way I take another number. 2 and 7. 2 comes first. It means 2 is a smaller number and 7 comes after 2. 7, it means 7 is a bigger number. So I put smaller number here and bigger number here. Now I take 2 more cards. 12 and 15. 12 and 15. 12 and 15. Already I told you, you write always tens and ones. Now, first we see this, compare with these two numbers in ones block. 2 and 5. 2 comes first and 5 comes after 2. And here you see in the tens group, both are number 1. It means 12 is a smaller number and 15 is the bigger number. So I put 12 here and 15 here. Now I think all of you understood the concept of smaller number and greater number. Now take out your maths book, maths notebook. Now dear parents, please note down this exercise and help your child to do it. First you write online work and date. Exercise is take the bigger number. Take the bigger number. Already I told you those number come first, that is called smaller number, and those number come up later on, that is bigger number. See, here is 2 number is here, 3 and 1. 1 comes first, that's why 1 is a smaller number, and 3 comes after 1. That's why 3 is a bigger number. So we tick it. Next number is 6 and 4. 6 and 4. 6 and 4. 4 come first. So 4 is a smaller number and 6 is a bigger number. So we take number 6. Now come this side. 13 and 12. 13 and 12. 13 and 12. 12 come first, that's why 12 is a smaller number and 13 is a bigger number. So we tick on number 13. In this way, you complete this page and send it in group.